Hello and welcome to the Piles of Paragraphs Creative Space. I'm Lori and today I'm going to work on week 50, I can't hardly believe it, of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. So hope everyone's doing well and had a chance to do something creative today. Excuse me, I'm going to get a sip of my tea. Oh, my voice is not at its strongest today. So, okay, let's look at the prompts and see what we've got. I've got something gold, so I have a little photograph. Oh, glue. Yes, I've been doing lots of videos today, so I have lots of glue on my hands. These are little gold bars. Something from nature, and this is a leaf, which would be from nature, although it has been, looks like it's been gold plated. A portion of a dictionary page. I have a portion of I have a whole dictionary page that's let's see, English to Chinese, Chinese to English. Then I have another piece of American English book page. Ooh. Let's see, a floor or rug pattern. This is a tile pattern. Oh, gift tag. And then the bonus is a cancellation mark. So, okay, let's set this over here. Let's see what I can put together. Alrighty. I think this is going to be kind of a small. Let's see. Do I want? Yeah, let me tear this. Sorry, hitting my light there with the ruler. Since it says a portion of a dictionary page, let's not have the whole little page there. Let's tear off the white margin. Okay, so we have this. That'll help take up some space. And I've got the gold leaf from nature. Have it like it's floating in. There we go. And then I think the gold bar should probably anchor the space there. Let's see, the gift tag. So I can slide the gift tag under there. Don't think I'll need that piece. Let's see. And the cancellation mark. Oh, where's my... I was going to see if I could punch out the center of this, which may not be a good idea, but let's see if I can kind of do this. It's probably not going to be properly centered. But I thought that, oh, that's actually not too bad. That I can kind of use it like a... What's the word I want? Magnifying glass. To kind of make a point of something there. Okay, well, let's see. That's kind of heavy up there, so let's maybe move the gift tag up there. Let's see. Put the leaf here. Nope. Oh, I always struggle when I don't have choices for sizes. My goodness. Yes, I think my brain has gone on a little vacation. Okay. Let's see. Up higher. You could have the leaf dropping in from up here. And I could put the gift tag down here. Well, Not really my favorite that I've ever done, but I think I'm going to call it and say that's what we're going to do. I just don't want to put the gold bars. I think this would really look better if I put the gold bars up here because they're smaller. And then have the leaf down here because it's bigger and bolder. But it just seems kind of strange to have I don't know. Oh, I'm not liking anything. That's terrible. Now let's glue down the dictionary page. I don't have any, do I? Oh, I don't think I have any gold washi tape up here or anything. I could just swap that out, but I don't think I do. Forget dictionary page when you put glue stick on it, really curls up. Let's try that and see if that helps a little bit. Oh goodness, I'm not liking anything now. Well, I guess sometimes it's just better to get things done than... And I'm really starting to, excuse me, lose steam. This cold, I think, is overtaking me. I'd say the brain fog has definitely settled in. Oh, sorry about that. That and it's time for lunch, so I'm feeling kind of puny and I'm hungry. Well, now I have the cancellation mark glued to my glue paper. Okay. So let's see. Well, not my favorite. Not horrible, not my favorite. So, okay. Let's see. Excuse me. Something gold. We have gold bars, something from nature. We have a leaf, although this one has been gold plated. A portion of a dictionary page. I have a couple portions of dictionary pages here. A floor or rug pattern. Under here is the pattern of tile. Here's part of a gift tag. And the bonus is a cancellation mark. So there's a cancellation mark. So here we go. There is week 50, the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. So thank you for joining me today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make a comment if you would, please. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll join me again in the future. And bye-bye for now.